Please consult your doctor before committing yourself to its practice. योग सामान्य शारीरिक एवं मानसिक स्वास्थ्य के लिए एक अभ्यास है जो व्यक्ति की शारीरिक स्थिति और ज़रूरत के अनुसार किया एवं कराया जाता है। यदि आप योग के लिए नए हैं तो अभ्यास से पहले अपने डॉक्टर से परामर्श अवश्य लें।
Bring your legs, feet together. Stretch your arms up over the head. Stretch your arms, legs, feet, stretch, 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 stretch. Exhale, release. Gently turning to one side, come up. Cross leg sitting position for initial prayer. Spine straight and relaxed. Shoulders, hands, arms relaxed. Get ready for the prayer. 3 times Om, then initial prayer together. ओम सर्वमंगल मांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते नारायणी नमोस्तुते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम बोलो सदगुरु स्वामी शिवानंद महाराज की जय, स्वामी विष्णुदेवानंद महाराज की जय। Om Namah Shivaya. Welcome you all in the beginner's yoga class. Let's begin our class with deep breathing. Stretch your spine straight, shoulders, arms comfortably relaxed, hands in chin mudra on your knees. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. While inhaling, abdomen will come out. While exhaling, it will go in. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Inhale on 1, 2, 3. Exhale on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale on 1, 2, 3. Exhale on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale on 1, 2, 3. Exhale on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale on 1, 2, 3. Exhale on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale on 1, 2, 3. Exhale on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale on 1, 2, 3. Exhale on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale on 1, 2, 3. Exhale on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Release. Release your breath completely. Spine straight, shoulders relaxed. Inhale deeply on 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath on 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale completely on 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax on 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale on 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold on 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale on 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax on 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale on 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath on 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale completely on 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax on 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale on 1, 2, 3. Exhale on 1, 2, 3, 4. Retain on 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax on 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale on 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath on 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale completely on 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax on 1, 2, 3, 4. Last set, inhale on 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold on 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale on 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax on 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax the comfortable breathing. Relax your spine, relax the shoulder. Mind relax, spine completely relax. For the long round of Kapalbhati, inhale deeply, exhale completely. Once again, inhale, exhale completely. For the Kapalbhati round, inhale deeply and begin. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2. Exhale completely. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. For the retention, inhale deeply and hold the breath for 30 seconds comfortably. Spine straight, draw your mind inward, chanting Om. Exhale, release completely, empty the lungs. Inhale deeply, exhale completely. Now stretch your legs forward. Stretch your toes down. Stretch your both toes down. Feel the stretch into your calf muscles, into your hips and thighs. Breathing comfortably. Exhaling, release. Stretch your toes forward. Feel the stretch. Up. Stretch your toes forward. Up. Once again, forward. Release. Stretch the toes opposite the side. Together. Opposite. Together. Opposite. Together. Forward. Right. Forward. Right. Forward. Left. Forward. Right. Forward. Left. forward, right, forward, left, in the center. Release. Shake your legs. Shake your feet. Relaxed breathing. Exhale. Release. Join the soles of the feet. Hold the toes. Stretch your spine straight and flap the knees. Flap your knees up and down. Spine straight. Relaxed, comfortable breathing. Exhaling, release. Comfortable sitting position. Get ready for the eye exercises. Spine straight, shoulders relaxed. Open your eyes wide. Look up to the ceiling without moving your head or the neck. Down to the floor. Look up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, in the center. Close your eyes. Breathe comfortably. Open your eyes. Now you look sideways. Look to the right, extreme right. Breathe comfortably. Look to the left as far as you can. Keep on breathing comfortably. In the center, look to the right. Look to the left. Right, left, right, left, in the center. Keep your eyes closed. Keep your spine stretched up. Open your eyes. Now we look diagonally, right up, left down, right up, left down, right up, left down, in the center, left up, right down, left up, right down, left up, right down, in the center, eyes closed, comfortable breathing, mind, body relaxed. Open your eyes. Now we look clockwise. Imagine a clock in front of you. Look up to the 12, right to the 3, down to 6, left to 9. Now 12, 9, 3, 6, 9, 12, 3, 6, 9, 12, 3, 6, 9, in the center. Now up to the 12, to 9, 6, 3, 12, 9, 6, 3, 12, 9, 6, 3, 12, 9, 6, 3, in the center, eyes closed, relax the eyes muscles, breathing comfortably, rub your palms, generate the heat, place them on your eyes, feel the warmth of your palms. Once again, rub your palms, place them on your eyes, breathing comfortably. Exhaling, release your hands, keep your eyes closed, breathe comfortably. Open your eyes. Now for the neck exercises, stretch your spine straight. Stretch your chin down to the chest, chin up to the ceiling, down to the chest, up to the ceiling. Last time down to the chest, up to the ceiling, in the center. Look to the right, to left, right, left, in the center. Look back over the right shoulder. Look back over the left shoulder, right shoulder. Look back. Look back over the left shoulder, in the center. Breathe comfortably. Rotation of the neck. First clockwise, forward, right, back, left. Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. In the center. Anti-clockwise. First to left. Om 1, Om 2, Om 3, Om 4. In the center. Relaxed, comfortable breathing. Hands on the knees. Rotate your shoulders. First forward. Now from the back. Exhaling, release. Relaxed, comfortable breathing. Get ready for the Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Spine straight, shoulders relaxed. Right hand in Vishnu Mudra, left hand in Chin Mudra. Place your both hands on the knees. First, breathe from both your nostrils. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Once again, inhale. Exhale. Place your right thumb on the right nostril. Breathe through left. On 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath. Spine straight. Exhale, right on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, right on 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath. Exhale, left on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, left on 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath. Exhale, right on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, right on 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath. Block the nostril. Exhale, left on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, left on 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath. Exhale, right on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, right on 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath. Block the nostrils. Exhaling, left on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, left on 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath. Block the nostrils. Last round. Exhale, right on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale, right on 1, 2, 3. Hold the breath. Exhaling, left on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gently drop your hands. Relaxed, comfortable breath. Spine straight. Shoulders relaxed. Enjoy your internal peace. Feel yourself internally relaxed. Now, keeping your eyes closed, stretch your legs forward and lie down on your back. Slide your legs apart, feet apart, arms apart from the body. Feel yourself physically relaxed, mentally relaxed. No tension in your mind. Legs, feet together. Stretch your arms up above the head. Stretch your legs, feet. Stretch your spine. Exhale, release, arms down. Turning to one side, come up. Come up to the standing position. For the sun salutation. Come up on the top of the mat. Palms facing forward, shoulders relaxed, spine straight. Relaxed breathing. For the first round, feet together. Inhale, exhale, palms together, prayer position. Relaxed breathing. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Hands, arms stretched up. Look up. Exhale, bend forward and down. Inhale, stretch your right leg back. Look up. Retain your breath. Left leg back, push your position, look forward. Body in a straight line. Exhale, knees, chest, forehead on the mat. Inhale, come forward. Arch back, cobra position. Exhale, inverted V. Look to the toes. Push your heels down. Inhale, left knee down. Right foot forward between your hands. Look up. Exhale, left foot forward. Feet are together. Palms are on the mat. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Exhale, release, arms down. For the left stretch, inhale. Inhale, exhale, palms together, prayer position. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Exhale, bend forward and down. Chest to the thighs. Inhale, stretch the left leg back. Look up. Left knee, left thigh on the mat. Retain. Right leg back, push your position. Look forward. Shift your weight on your hands. Exhale, knees, chest, forehead on the mat. Inhale. Come forward, head up, chest up. Exhale, inverted V position. Push your heels down. Feel the stretch into your calf muscle. Inhale, right knee down and left foot forward. Look up. Exhale, right foot forward. Feet are together. Arms are on the mat. stretch your hips up. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Exhale, release, arms down. For the second round, inhale, exhale, palms together, prayer position, breathing comfortably. Inhale, stretch your arms up, upper arms touching to the ears. Hands, arms are parallel to each other. Exhaling, bend forward and down. Inhale, stretch the right leg back, look up, arch back. Retain, left leg back, body in a straight line. The plank position. Exhale, knees, chest, forehead on the mat. The cobra. Come up, arch back, cobra position. Exhale, inverted V. Inhale, left knee down, right foot forward. Push your left thigh on the mat, look up. Exhale, left foot forward, palms on the mat, chest to the thighs. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Exhale, release. For the left stretch, inhale, exhale, palms together, prayer position. Breathing comfortably. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Exhale, bend forward and down. Inhale, left leg back. Retain. Right leg back, body in a straight line. Exhale, knees, chest, forehead on the mat. Inhale, cobra, look up, arch back. Exhale, heels down, inverted V. Look to the toes. Inhale, right knee down, left foot forward. Look up, arch back. Exhale, right foot forward. Palms on the mat. Inhale, stretch your arm up. Exhale, release, arms down. Breathe comfortably. Spine relax, shoulders relax. Relaxed, comfortable breath. Get ready for the third round. Inhale, exhale, palms together, prayer position. Stay there for comfortable breath. Inhale, stretch your arms up, hands up, spine stretched up. Exhale, bend forward and down. Inhale, right leg back, look up. Retain, left leg back. Head, hips, heels in a straight line. Push your weight forward. Exhale, knees, chest, forehead on the mat. Inhale, cobra position, arch back. Exhale, inverted V. Push your heels down. Look to the toes. Inhale, left knee down and right foot forward. Stretch your left leg back. Exhale, left foot forward, feet are together. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Exhale, arms down. For the left stretch, inhale, exhale, palms together, prayer position. Stay there, breathing comfortably. Feel your shoulders, feel your spine. Inhale, stretch your arms up. Upper arms touching to the ears. Keep on looking up. Exhaling, bend forward and down. Inhale, stretch the left leg back, look up. Retain, right leg back, push your position, push your weight forward. Exhale, knees, chest, forehead on the mat. Inhale, come forward and up, cobra position. Keep on looking up, elbows touching to the ribs. Exhale, heels down, the inverted V. Push your heels down. Look to the toes. Feel the stretch into your calf muscles. Inhale, right knee down and left foot forward. Look up, arch back. Right thigh on the mat. Exhale, right foot forward, palms on the mat. Knees are straight. Inhale, set your arms up. Exhale, release your arms down. Feet apart, palms facing forward. Relax, comfortable breath. Feel the shoulder, back of the neck, straight and relax. Chin parallel to the floor. Relaxed breathing. Body relaxed, mind relaxed. Om. Stretch your arms forward. Inhaling, come up on your toes. Exhaling, bending your knees. Come down, down, and lie down on your back. Legs apart. Arms apart. Slow down your breathing. Feel your heartbeat. Normalize your breath. Feel each and every part relaxed. Feel your feet, legs completely relaxed. Feel the spine. Feel your shoulders relaxed. Physically relaxed, mentally relaxed. Relax. Oh. Legs together, feet together. Stretch your arms up above the head. Stretch, 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 stretch. Exhale, release. Release your arms down. Arms beside the body. Toes tucked towards the body, towards the face. Now inhaling, stretching your arms sideways and lift them up above the head and join the hands. Exhaling, stretch your arms sideways and bring them down. Palms facing down. Inhale, stretch your arms up and join your hands. Breathing comfortably, stay there. Arms are stretching up. Feel the stretch to the shoulders, to the back of the neck. Exhaling, release your arms down, palms facing downward. Once again, inhaling, lift your arms sideways and lift them up. Join your hands. Keep your palms stretching upward, more backward. Feel the stretch. Exhaling, release comfortably down. Now stretch the arms sideways. Make the fists and rotate them. Keep on changing the side, rotation side. Exhaling, release. Arms beside the body. Now inhaling, make the circle, both circles with your both your arms. Release the tension off your shoulders. Keep on breathing comfortably. Change the side, upper side. Breathing comfortably. Exhaling, release. Arms beside the body. Relaxed, comfortable breath. Get ready for the single, double leg raising. Inhale, lift your right leg straight up. Exhaling down. Inhale, lift the left leg straight up. Exhale down. Right leg straight up. Exhaling down. Inhale, left leg straight up. Exhale down. Once again, inhaling, right leg straight up. Stretch the right toes down. Stretch the right heel up. Feel the stretch into your back of the right leg. Keep on stretching and feel the stretch. Exhaling, drop. This time, lift the left leg straight up. Feel the stretch. Left toes down. Stretch the left heel up. Left heel up to the ceiling. Toes down to the floor. Exhaling comfortably down. Relaxed, comfortable breath. Inhale, lift the right leg straight up. Hold the right thigh, interlock the fingers. Stretch the right heel down. Chin to the chest. Inhale, lift your head and chest up and move your fingers up. Hold the ankle. Wherever you feel comfortable, stay there and breathe comfortably. Exhaling, head down, chest down. Bend the right knee. Hold it tightly. Breathe comfortably. Left leg completely, comfortably on the mat. Release your hands and lift your right leg straight up. Exhaling comfortably down. Lift your left leg straight up. Same process. Hold the left thigh. Stretch the left toes down. Stretch the left heel up. Looking to the toes. Left toes are looking to your face. Inhale, exhale. head up, chest up. Hold your left ankle or the calf muscles. Be there wherever you feel comfortable. Exhale. Release your hands, arms, and left leg straight down. Both legs are together. Now bend your knees, arms beside the body or under your body, or you can place underneath your neck. Breathing comfortably. Inhale, lift your both legs straight up. Stretch the toes down, stretch the heels up. Exhale, bend your knees, feet on the mat. Inhale, lift the both legs, feet up, toes down, heels up. Exhale, feet on the mat. Inhale, lift your both legs straight up, stretch your heels up, stretch the toes down. Breathe comfortably, feel the stretch to the back of your legs. Exhaling, release. Feet are flat. Now stretch your arms sideways, feet apart. Right knee to the left ankle, up, left knee to the right ankle. Keep on changing and doing fast. Alternate knees is coming up and down. Keep on doing fast. This exercise relax your lower back. Release tension of your lower back and reduce the belly fat. To reduce the belly fat, do it fast. Moving your knees one by one down, one up, alternate. Right down and left up, left down and right up. Keep on changing. Very relaxing exercise. Exhaling, release. In the center, lift your legs straight up. Exhaling down, hold your knees, bend your knees to the chest. Inhaling, lift head and chest up. Exhale, chest down, head down, release your hands and legs forward. Legs apart, arms apart, relax your body, relax your mind. Relax the breathing, relax. Om, legs, feet together, stretch your arms up above the head. Give a complete stretch to your spine. Hands, shoulders, stretch. Exhale, release your arms, turning to one side. Come up. Get ready for the Vipreet Karni and Sarvangasana. Mat to the wall. Lie down on your back. Hips touching the wall. And walk your feet up. Rest your heels on the wall. Arms beside the body. Relax and comfortable breath. Come into meditative pose. Close your eyes. Relax and comfortable breath. Start feeling every part completely relaxed. Feel your legs relaxing completely. No extra weight to carry. No weight of the upper body. Legs are just relaxed. Upper body is resting on the mat. Relaxed breathing. Now stretch your legs apart. Feel relaxed physically and mentally. Release all your tension, all your tiredness of the day. Make your legs, feet completely relaxed. Join your legs and feet. Press your feet on the wall. Come up. Hips and chest up. Support your back with the hands and push the wall with your feet. Breathing comfortably. Back of the head, back of the neck, resting on the mat. Relaxed body, relaxed mind. Relax. More blood to the heart, oxygen to the brain. Relax. Feel the stimulation of the thyroid gland, parathyroid gland. To release the pose, step down slowly and gently. Come down. Hips back on the mat. Feet on the mat and drag your body up. Bending to one side. Come up. Change your mat position. Lie down on your back. Feet are flat. Get ready for the bridge pose. Palms beside the body. Inhale. Spine up. Chest up. Push your hands, palms on the mat and inhaling, lift your hips just more up. Push your feet down. Touch your knees up. A longer, higher breath. Breathing comfortably. Exhale, release. Come down. Stretch your legs, feet up together, forward. Hide your arms, elbows under your body for the fish pose. Legs, feet together. Inhale, head up, chest up. Look to the toes. Come up on your elbows. Exhaling the crown of the head on the mat. Look back. No weight on your head. All weight. Elbows are carrying all the weight. Push your elbows down. Breathe comfortably. To release the pose, head up, chest up. Look to the toes. Exhale, come down. Release your arms, release the elbows. Make the fists, rotate them. Stretch your fingers. Drop on the mat. Head to the right side. Head to the left. In the center. Palms facing upward. Legs, feet are apart. Relax in Shavasana. Relaxed, comfortable breathing. Relaxed. Om. Legs, feet together. Stretch your arms up above the head. Stretch your spine. Stretch your hands, arms, stretch. Exhale. Release. Come arms down. Turning to one side. Come up. Sitting position. Stretch your legs forward. Stretch your spine straight. Both hands on your right thigh. Slowly push your hands forward to the right ankle. Wherever you feel comfortable, come forward. Keep on stretching your spine forward, look forward. Now exhaling, bring back your hands to the right side. Once again, inhaling, slide your hands forward towards the ankle. Breathing comfortably. Stay there wherever you feel comfortable. Stretch your spine forward. Breathing comfortably. Exhaling, come back to the right side. Release, comfortable breathing. Now both hands on the left thigh. Again, stretch your both hands forward towards the left ankle, left toes, wherever you feel comfortable. Stay there and stretch your spine forward. Breathing comfortably. If comfortable, you can interlock the fingers. Exhaling, again, come back to the left side. Breathing comfortably. Again, stretch your both hands forward and giving massage to the left leg. Both hands on the left ankle or the toes. Exhaling, come back to the left thigh. Paschimottan Asana. Paschim means back. Uttan means khichav. In Paschimottan Asana, are all back muscles get stretched. All back muscles get stretched in your body. So, back muscles are getting stretched, and by giving massage, slowly massage, you are getting massage to the legs. Relaxed, comfortable breathing. Now stretch your both arms up. Stretch your spine, stretch your hands, stretch your arms. Exhaling, bend forward and hold the toes. Stretch your spine forward, look forward. Breathing comfortably. Relax. Stretch your spine forward. To release, come up. Stretch your hands, arms up. Exhale, hands, arms behind your back. Drop your head back. Inhaling, lift your hips, chest up, toes on the floor. Inhaling more up. Exhale, release. Come down. Now lie down on your chest. Relax in Makarasana. Pillow off your hands. Look to the right. Relaxed breathing, toes together, heels apart. Oh, for the Bhujangasana. Forehead on the mat. Palms underneath the shoulders. Legs, feet apart. Inhale, head up, chest up. Set your arms straight. Look up. Breathing comfortably, stay there. Relaxed breathing. Exhale, release. Relax in Makarasana. Look to the left. Toes together. Hide your arms under the body. Forehead on the mat. Inhale, right leg straight up. Exhaling down. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale down. Inhale, right up. Exhale down. For the left, inhale up. Exhale down. Last time, inhale, right leg straight up. Exhale down. Inhale, left leg straight up. Exhale down. Now release your arms, hands underneath the shoulders. Come up, head up, chest up. Come up on your toes. Relaxed breathing. Exhaling, chin down to the chest. Inhaling, chin up to the ceiling. Exhaling down, round your back. Inhale, up, look up to the ceiling. Exhaling down, round your back. Inhaling, arch your back. Exhale, release. Comfortable sitting position. Right hand on the left knee. Rotate your left arm on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Place your left hand behind your back. Look back. Feel the twist into your spine. To release, look forward. Change the side. Left hand on the right knee. Rotate your right arm on 1, on 2, on 3, on 4. Place your right hand behind your back. Look back. Comfortable breathing. To release, look forward. Relax, comfortable breath, and stand up for balancing asana. For the tree pose, according to your comfort, just cross your feet or join your hands. Stay there breathing comfortably. If comfortable, lift your right foot and place it on the left knee. Join your hands. Breathe comfortably. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and release. Change the side. Bend the left knee. Left foot on the right thigh. Join your hands. Count on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Release. You can do once again. Right foot on the left thigh. Inhale on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. Release. Change the side. Left foot to the right thigh on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhaling. Release. Do according to your capacity. Now our gentle walk, starting very slow. According to your flexibility, capacity, keep on doing fast. Do according to your comfort. Breathing comfortably. Exhaling, coming slowly. Exhale, release. Come forward, feet apart. Stretch your arms sideways. Right hand to the left knee, left foot and left hand stretched up. Left arm stretching up. To release the pose, come up, arms are sideways. Exhaling, left hand to the right foot, stretch your right arm up. Look to the right hand. Breathing comfortably. To release the pose, come up, inhale, stretch your arms up, hands, arms stretched up. Exhaling, bend forward and hold your both toes. Breathing comfortably. According to your comfort, you can place your hands on your knees or on the calves or on the feet. Be there wherever you feel comfortable. No competition. Just do according to your strength, according to your capacity. To release the pose, hang your arms loose. Slowly, gently come up. For the counter pose, hands on your back and arch back. The counter pose. Release. Come up. For the triangle pose, feet 3-4 feet apart. Right foot to the right side. Left slightly inside. Stretch your arms sideways. Lift your left arm up and right arm down. Looking to the left armpit. Come down. Twist to the right. Keep on stretching your left arm to the right. Breathing comfortably. Inhaling up. Change the side. Now left foot to the left side. Right slightly inside. Stretch your arms sideways. Inhaling, lift your Right arm up. Exhaling, left arm down. Bend to the left. Looking to the right armpit. Breathing comfortably. Inhaling, come up. Release the pose. Gently join your feet. Come up on the top of the mat. Stretch your arms forward. Come up on your toes. Slowly, gently, bending your knees. Come down and lie down on your back. Relax in Shavasana. Legs apart, arms apart, eyes closed. Now for the physical relaxation, lift your feet, hands, chest, hips, head up. Stretch the toes, heels, stretch the fingers, stretch, stretch, stretch. Exhale, drop. Lift your hips up. Exhaling, drop. Push your lower back on the mat. Exhaling, release. Inhaling, lift your chest up. Exhaling, down. Inhaling, stretch your shoulders up to the ceiling. Exhaling, down to the floor, to the feet. Exhaling, release. Inhaling, shrink your facial muscles, make ugly, lemony, tight face. Exhale, release. Now stretch out the facial muscles, open your mouth, take out your tongue, open your eyes, stretch, stretch, stretch. Exhale, release. Head to the right, head to the left, in the center. Relax breathing. Now following my instructions, start relaxing all your body parts. Feel the toes completely relaxed. Ankles relaxed. Calves, knees, hips and thighs completely relaxed. Oh, legs, feet together. Stretch your hands, arms up. Stretch your spine up. Exhaling, release your arms down. Turning to one side. Come up. Get ready for the final prayer. Back straight, shoulders relaxed. 3 times Om. Then concluding prayer together. Om. Om. ॐ सर्वेषां स्वस्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां शान्तिर्भवतु सर्वेषां पूर्णं भवतु सर्वेषां मङ्गलं भवतु सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया, सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु, मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। असतो मा सद्गमय, तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय, मृत्योर्मामृतं गमय। ॐ पूर्णमदा पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते, पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।